Hello. Is your Windows running very slow due to several background applications running? In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem by removing, disabling, or stopping some of the applications you may not need. I will show you how to do this for individual apps and how to use one feature to stop or disable these background apps. So let's start with individual apps we do not want to continue running. Go to your Start button or type Settings in your Windows search bar to bring up Windows Settings. Top there, select Settings. Look for Apps, select that, then go to Installed Apps at the top here. Here you have the list of several applications running in your system. Some of them run at the backgrounds even when not needed, dragging your system performance backwards. So, to stop any of them from running at the backgrounds, simply go to these three little dots here to the right of the app name. Click on it, and if you can't see advanced options in the menu, for instance here, there is no advanced option when I checked it for Active Presenter, as you can see, that shows that it doesn't run in the background, so you could ignore it. But if I go down to Microsoft 365 and I click, you will see Advanced Options. So, click the Advanced Options, and there's a little drop-down menu here with caption, Let this app run in the background. Pull it down and select any one you want, Power Optimized, Recommended, Always, or Never. If you choose Never, that app selected will stop running in the background. So, go back to Settings, and then go through the other apps that you may want to stop running in the background. So, using this method, you'd have to do it individually for any of the applications you will want to stop from running. If you want to prevent all apps from running in the background, then I have this second method which involves turning off just one feature, and all background applications will stop running automatically. So close down this Windows. From your Windows search bar, type Edit Group Policy. See it displayed already. Now let's maximize the screen so that we can see the options down here. Now what you need to do is select and expand Computer Configuration, then expand Administrative Templates, then expand Windows Components, then select App Privacy, then the penultimate option down here. Hope you are following me on screen. It says, Let Windows Apps Run in the Background. You need to double-click on that. Now, by default, this will be set to Not Configured. You need to select Enabled, and then click here where it says Default for all apps. We need to change this to Force Deny. Then click on OK. Please close down the Group Policy Editor, and that's it. So if we go back into Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, and if you click any of the applications Erie are found to be running at the backgrounds by clicking the Advanced Options, you'll see it will no longer have the menu where I can choose to disable to stop, since we've done that using the feature I just shared with you. That applies to each app on your computer. None of the apps you'll be able to run in the background, except you go back and reset it. Before I show you other apps and how to modify them for best Windows performance, take time to subscribe, like, and share this video. Check our playlist. We have powerful, practical, and simple tips to resolve all your computer issues.
Then another issue slowing your PC may come from some of the services running in your system. To remove, disable, or stop some service applications running, simply type Run in your Windows search bar. When it pops up, type in services.msc and press Enter. This brings up the list of several service applications running in your laptop. Take time to go through them. Some of them are really not needed and have high impact on your Windows. Before you stop or disable any of them, make sure to check out their specific functions in Google. Just copy the name and paste, and its function would be displayed for you. Now to remove or stop any app, take for instance Microsoft, right-click on it, select Properties, then disable or stop it as the case may be. Click Apply and OK. And that is it. You may need to restart your system to enable the changes. So it's as simple as that. Finally, you can boost your Windows performance by disabling some of your startup applications, especially the ones with high impact and less often used. To do that, go to your Windows search bar and type Task Manager. From the list of the tabs displayed, click Startup Apps. A list of all the applications that boot along whenever you press your Windows Start button will be displayed, as you can see. Some of them have high impact. For instance, here, OneDrive.exe has high impact. Go through them and ensure that the ones you don't make use of every now and then is disabled. To enable or disable, select and right-click on any of them and disable it, and it's done. You can as well select it and go up here and enable or disable it. Once you have disabled some of these startup apps, make sure to restart your system, and I bet you its performance is going to improve significantly. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Your support in this way will encourage us to do more. Thanks.